How to make concrete pumpkins. Make a set of concrete pumpkins to decorate a patio or porch with the help of a latex mold. Purchase mold solution at a craft supply store, and use a medium-sized pumpkin, known as a cooking pumpkin, to create the mold. This mold could also be used to create a pumpkin candle by filling the mold with wax instead of concrete. These long-lasting concrete pumpkins make an interesting gift for a garden lover. Things you'll need: cooking pumpkin, plastic pail, latex mold solution, 5 pounds bag of concrete mix, wheelbarrow, trowel, sharp knife, string, metal rasp. Place the pumpkin in the plastic pail. Mix the latex mold solution, following the manufacturer's directions, and pour the solution over the pumpkin, covering it completely. Let the mold solution set until firm, about 30 minutes. Pull the mold from the bucket. Separate the mold into 2 even halves by cutting through it with a knife. Mix the concrete with water in the wheelbarrow until the concrete is the consistency of oatmeal. Fill the mold recesses with the concrete. Put the mold halves together. Tie the molds together with a length of string and reinsert the entire mold in the plastic pail. Let the concrete set for 24 hours. Remove the mold from the pail. Pull the halves apart and remove the concrete pumpkin. File seam lines with a metal rasp.